Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the Sony Xperia 1. Super stoked to have this smartphone in-house. And I know some of you are saying, wait a second, man, the iPhone 12 smartphone series just came out. Where is the iPhone? And you're reviewing a lot of cases right now for that phone, but yet you do not have one and you decide to go with the Sony Xperia 1. What is going on with that? Well, that's what makes me a little different. And there's some other YouTubers out there that do what I do. Once you decide what you're going to do, you just do it. And that's what happened with me in this smartphone that came out last year here in the USA at 950 smacks. It was July 12th of 2019. It just dropped to 600 smacks over at Amazon. And that, for me, was worth bringing it in. I was able to get a case, Spigen Case, and I got some tempered glass screen protectors from Supershieldz as well. I needed to grab both of these so I can get it going, start using it and reviewing it and share the information with you. And I don't know how many of you are going to be excited about this or not. And I appreciate you stopping on by and watching. But at 600 smacks, yeah, maybe still a bit too high, but I had to grab it. So here it is, and what I'm going to do is just go over a few specs really quick. I will be leaving some information at the beginning of the video when I actually get to the unboxing. That way you can jump ahead if you don't want to listen to all of this. So we have a 6.5-inch 4K OLED display. By default, it's at 1080p, but when you're watching actual 4K content, you're going to get that 4K experience. It's an OLED display. Sony used to go with the IPS LCD panels. We now have OLED, so this should be really great for me when it comes to watching videos and movies. 21:9 cinematic wide aspect ratio, so it's going to be a slim device, Gorilla Glass 6, and by the way, we are running Android 10. It should. Now, if I have Android 9 out of the box, it should update to Android 10. I got in touch with a few other YouTubers who have this smartphone, and they said they were running Android 10. So we'll see where we're at with that. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 3033 milliamp battery, no wireless charging, and no headphone jack. But we do have dual speakers with Dolby Atmos, which should be an amazing experience when watching movies and videos on that 4K OLED display, cinema-wide OLED display. Yeah, that should be a great experience. I'm going to tell you right now, man, this is just one beautiful experience. Volume is all the way up. Dynamic vibration, 3/4 of the way up. The Sony Xperia 1 is just vibrating to the flow of this video. Simply amazing. And I'm watching this through the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And if I move over to actually look at the Sony Xperia 1 visually, it's just far more amazing. It's crazy. Wow. As far as the cameras, we have an 8-megapixel shooter on the front, and that shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second. I don't think we have 60 or 4K. No 4K for sure, but I don't think we have 60 frames per second. On the rear, we have 3 12-megapixel shooters, regular wide, telephoto, super wide angle, 137 degree super wide angle. That should be amazing. And there we go.
So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I've got to look for my box knife here. And we're going to do that. And I'm excited, man. Oh, what am I doing? Look at how excited I am. I forgot I had another one over here to cut. Okay, let's see what's in the box.
And that is a gorgeous smartphone. So let's go ahead and, well, you know, I'm going to wait on that. Let's get into the box here. Okay. USB Type-C to Type-C, which is really nice. Okay, put that there. Your wall charger, 18 watt wall charger. And oh, looky here, because we have no headphone jack, we get a dongle. That is nice. Now I got a couple extra dongles over to the side over there, so but this is going to be nice to have. And what is this? Are you kidding me? Well, looky here. I am digging this. We're not going to see this happening going forward. Maybe once in a while here and there, depending on what company you're buying your smartphone. But a lot of the high-end devices from like Samsung, Apple, you're not going to see this anymore. So this is really nice. You're not going to be seeing this anymore, right? A lot of you know you don't get this in your iPhone 12 box. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. Wow, totally digging it. And you got some tips here. Okay, you don't get a SIM key either, and the reason why is because Sony is best known for their SIM tray. Actually, right here, there's a little bit of a gap right there where you will put your fingernail in and pull that away, and you can just pull that out right there like that. So 128 gigs of storage along with an SD card slot and your SIM card area there. So that is nice. So I can expand my memory. Take off the back sticker here. Okay, put that right there. And then we'll take off the film off the display of the Sony Xperia 1. No notch, no hole punch on the display, just the camera and the speaker earpiece, and you can see the bezel right in there. I'm sure you can see that. Very, very minimal, and down below as well. Very, very minimal. That is nice. And you got your speaker right there, USB Type-C charging port, and you got a mic right there. So you have your volume rocker above the side-mounted fingerprint reader, and you have your power button right below that area, and then you have your dedicated camera button right there. And up top, we have the SIM tray and another mic. I don't know if you can see that right in there. Okay, so there we go. That's everything on the device, everything in the box. Let's go ahead and power it up. Sony, unlocked for all 4 carriers. That is nice. All right, what I'm going to do is take out, oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, we're going to take out the Spigen case because I do not want to scratch that beautiful, beautiful smartphone.
And okay, must check for side sensitivity for the side sense. It's got the side sense that you can double tap on the sides of the Sony Xperia 1 and it brings up like your recent activities or your apps or something like that, so I don't know too much about it. Lens and screen cleaning wipe. That's nice. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. Your manual case, and make sure that we don't have anything else in the box. All right.
So basically, Spigen has given this to us to clean the back of the Sony Xperia 1 before putting the case on. And like I said earlier, there's just not a lot of cases. I did say that, right? Either way, there's just not a lot of cases. You got to do a lot of hunting around for cases, but I'm just going to go ahead and slap it on right now. That way I feel good about protecting my investment. Now, I may edit this video down because I know it's going to be a long video, but there's the power button, and I'm going to go ahead and set everything up, so I'll be right back. I'm not going to cover everything in this video. I do have an update, so hopefully that's for Android 10. Well, let's see what we have right now. So I don't know what I have. System. And software. So we have Android 9 right now. So I don't know if you can see that, but Android 9 on board, and most likely what I got going on here is Android 10. So that's what I'm hoping for. But I'll let you know all of that tomorrow morning or the next morning whenever I decide to do the early morning vlog to test the video as far as on the rear and that wide angle as well. That 137-degree wide angle, man, that should be amazing. So there we go. Lengthy unboxing. This is what I decided to go with at 600 smacks. Wasn't going to pay $950 last year when it first came out. But I'm excited. I'm excited to have a Sony device back in house. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.